Accept the chance to learn more about this brand new individual and his or her interests, work, enthusiasms, and dreams, and see if this individual's worths match your own. 6. Be thoughtful about presenting a brand new partner to your kids. Only introduce your kids to somebody you think is serious, and, even then, do it slowly. Friedenthal says, ask if they have any concerns. Let them understand ahead of time about an approaching meeting, listen to their worries, then reassure them as required. When setting up a preliminary conference, it can be handy to all participate in a short activity in a neutral setting, so the focus is on the activity, instead of pressure to get to understand your partner. Children might see you dating as a risk to their time and relationship with you. Ask your kids about their feelings, genuinely listen to what they reveal verbally and non-verbally, and verify that it's fine to feel however they feel. That said, their sensations do not require to dictate your love life. It might be handy to take special time with your kids without your partner, just as you might carve out time with your partner without your kids. 7. Keep the kids' feelings most importantly. No matter what, it's going to be a huge change when the kids see their mother with somebody brand new, but there are things you can do to decrease how upsetting that might be. Friedenthal says, and when connecting with the child, avoid things like using labels the kid doesn't like, teasing, or going into the kid's space without approval. 8. Ensure everybody understands their function in the kids' lives. When a beginner enters the household, is it as a pal, or a figure of authority? Work on constructing a relationship with the children prior to trying to enter any kind of parenting function, Morin says. Do not anticipate things to be ideal, like on the Brady lot. Adjusting to new circumstances and new individuals can be a bit of a procedure. 9. Keep expectations in check. Life is made complex, life is messy, and it isn't always going to go smoothly, and that does not suggest it's not going to exercise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.